In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join a voice channel on Discord. Let's get right into it. Start by opening Discord and heading into the server where you want to voice chat. On desktop, that means clicking the server icon on the left sidebar. On mobile, it's the same idea. Open the app and select the server. Once you're in, you'll see the server's channel list along the left. This list contains everything: text channels, categories, and, importantly for today, voice channels. Now, look for the section labeled Voice Channels. It's usually grouped under a heading with a small speaker icon next to each voice channel name. These channels often have names like General, Chill, or Voice Chat. If your server is busy or organized into categories, voice channels might be lower on the list, so a quick scroll can help. If you don't see any voice channels at all, it might mean the server hasn't created any, or you might need permission to view them. That's totally normal in some communities. Once you find the voice channel you want, simply click its name. That's it. No extra confirmation required. When you click, Discord connects you instantly. You'll know it worked because your username or avatar will appear directly under that channel in the list, grouped with anyone else already in the call. You might hear a brief tone, and you're now in the conversation. If a channel has a small lock icon, it's restricted. In that case, you may not be able to join without the right role. Otherwise, any open channel will connect you as soon as you click. As you speak, you'll notice a subtle visual cue. A green ring will highlight your avatar when your voice is being picked up. That's a helpful way to confirm your mic is active and your audio is reaching the channel. If you see connecting for a moment, that's just Discord establishing the link. It typically clears within a second or two. The process works the same on both desktop and mobile, so the experience should feel familiar no matter where you're joining from. And that's all there is to it. Open Discord and your server, find the voice channels section with the speaker icons, click the channel you want, and you're in. It's fast, straightforward, and designed to get you talking with your friends or community right away. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your voice chat.